So this is Geophilia repens, which is a plant of the forest floors, canopied moist forest floor of Western Ghats and all, and it's a cute small little plant that loves shade. So good plant for shade and then for balcony gardens and all, and it doesn't grow vertically, only sideways, horizontal growth, and then it occurs in places where Nervilia also occurs. This is a ground orchid, Nervilia. Bang next to it, this Geophilia repens is there. So they all form one type of community. They all like the similar conditions. And what is that similar condition? Canopied forest floor. And the mud and all has to be like this. Dark forest soil. So this is how the forest floor look. Good rich topsoil. Plenty of humus. All this is humus. This stuff.